Hi everyone, I'm back. Hello, welcome back to today's live stream. I would like to change my live stream schedule a little bit and move the live stream session on Friday to Thursday. Hi Abdul, welcome back my friends. Okay, you can see that gold price is still falling down and follow the trend line I draw yesterday. And when it touched the resistance zone at 48.30 last week, on Tuesday, yeah, it's dropping down and now it's recovered to 47.41. However, the downtrend is still happening very strongly at the moment. And also, one support zone we need to pay attention to is 46.85. 46.85. All right, this is very important for all of us because when you see when the candle coming back, that's support zone, it immediately received the bullish momentum and break out from the trend line. And those are two self-scapping signals. And I believe that if you hold for long term, yeah, it definitely brings you a lot of profit yesterday. All right, as the early gift for everyone joining my live stream today, I would like to set up a buy signal from the entry for 35 to 34. All right, and stop loss I will set around 28. And take profit will follow 43, 48, and 58. Let's see how the candle moving this time. Why it's dropping down so severely? I still count on the support zone around 30 to 32 to avoid liquidity sweep and stop loss hunt. I like to set up the stop loss wider than a little bit. Place it around 28. Yeah, I told you the support zone here. There's a lot of trading volume for buyers for buy position at that zone. Okay, reverse, and you can wait to close the back position. Now, in 5-minute time frame, one candle can move up to 200 pips, especially when we trade in the New York session. And these are key levels I would like to note to all of you on the live stream today. It's coming back to 34. What a close. All right, close the back position, everyone. It's running. All right. It's dropping down again. Yeah, that's why I told you close the bad position. Now the market will choppy a little bit. Yeah, of course. Some whenever I post any live stream signal, I usually get in that one. Stop loss level will be around 28. Did you close the bad entry? It's just running around 20 pips profit from entry 34, and then it reverts back to the bearish momentum. Hi, Mrs. Air. Welcome back, my friend. Let's see below support zone will give us any advantage. How to revise this one? $47.13. Let's say this time it will break down or continue to the bullish momentum. Okay, buy now again. Buy now to add one more buy entry. Alright, to 30 to 28. And stop loss, we will set at 23. The first one, it's just running around 20 pips and reverse to the bearish momentum. But I realized that below here, that's still trading volume belong to the buyers at this zone. So that's why I set up another buy signal. Let's catch to the move of the market. Buying from 33. I see. Yeah, be disciplined, okay? Be disciplined to your choice. Discipline to the rule. If anyone hit the stop loss for the first round, yeah, you can enter the next one for the lower buy zone. Let's see the second signal will compensate for all of us or not. This is our stop loss order, all right? Our stop loss lever. Lower the support zone a little bit. And this is our entry, 29 to 13. Market just recovered from 46.84, and yeah, it can increase up to $60, which is 600 pips. Okay, the market starting accumulating. Start accumulating around 27. That shows you the indecision between the sellers and buyer at this zone. On 1 minute time frame, you can see EMA 89 acting like the dynamic support zone. Confluence with the previous one. This one, yeah, it haven't had the reaction for the bullish momentum. Hang on tight. We will wait for the next move. All right, if anything negative happened, we will find another solution then. Hang on a second, I need to send my live stream link on YouTube. Okay, yeah, you can see that it starts recover gradually. Hi everyone, do you enter the second signal? Do you enter for this one? It was a mistypo. Yeah, I'm about to have the entry around 29 to 28. Yeah, but I wonder why. I don't know why. Yeah, I post 13. Okay, so if you enter the day live stream late, yeah, you can have the better position for this signal. Nice to hear. Welcome back, my friends. Okay, the current signal on the chart is still active. Yeah, you can consider to join with us. Yeah, the market shows us the positive signal of the second signal. Whoa. Now it's falling down to 33, 34 in a blink of an eye. Wow, wow, wow. The shark is getting hunt. Hold your breath. I'm waiting for this one. Okay, it's coming back to the entry. You can consider close the back position gradually. Accept small loss. We can recover again. And let's take a look at the Forex calendar. We have an orange news. Yes, some orange news. Unemployment claims, flash manufacturing PMI. 345. Yeah, it's about to have these two important news in today's live stream. All right. Yeah, the market is still moving around our entry. So did you enter today signal? The second one. So that's why, yeah, I introduced to you the copy trade service to avoid the unlucky in the VIP channel. And the market is kind of challenging in today's trading session. Yeah, the first one we fell, but now I can see the market, yeah, it's still FOMO to the buying momentum, to the bullish momentum. We need to accept and trading a risk, right? So the next one, we cannot follow the sell signal even though that the market is still follow the buyers. Yeah, so I know it's a little bit annoying to everyone for the second one, for the second buy signal. However, right after the first one hit the stop loss, right? I know what you are thinking about right now. But currently, the market shows us the buy signal. So I cannot follow the sellers, even though that was the first one, we just hit stop loss. Okay, so that's the pressure market gives to all of us. It's not smooth every day. You need to understand this, all right? So sometimes that is the truth. We need to accept it. We need to adapt to the severe rule. And yeah, it's already been told that if you cannot under the pressure of market trading manually, you can count on the copy trade service. All right. Copy trade service gives you the stable profit every day to avoid the problem that you cannot follow enough the signal in the VIP channel. And also for the day that the market challenging and when you have your time you enter the signal. But that one hit the stop loss. And the next one you cannot enter. That is give you profit. So another solution for this problem is the copy trade service. All right, you can consider for the next product I already introduced to you. Yeah, so that's it trading. We cannot go smoothly every day. The second one, the second signal is still active, all right? It didn't hit the stop loss. It's still accumulating around our entry. If trading is go smooth, like your strategy, like our strategy, nothing poor, no one poor. Yeah, so only 2% traders can survive in this market. So don't let one or two of even 5 stop loss order of the day destroy you. All right? When you hit the limitation of the risk of the loss, relax and wait for the next day or the day you get calmer and then you're coming back to trade. I always share this information and share this experience to all of you because I know that when market challenging all of us, your trading psychology will be destroyed. Yeah, you see, the market is coming back to our entry and this is the stop loss level. I set lower down a little bit as 22. The first one we fell, I admit it. But the second one, we have to follow it because market shows you a clear signal for the buy momentum, for the bullish momentum. All right, so this is market very severe. It's not easy to trade for everyone. Come on, let's understand this problem. I told you many times for this. For the day, for the day that we win, nothing irritated, right? Everything is goes smooth. Everybody's happy. But when the day challenging, give us continuous stop loss order and set yourself the limitation of risk of the loss. If you hit 3, okay, stop. Not trading on that day. But I have to continue my work because that is not my limitation. All right. And I know when is the market will recover. And my trading psychology will be calmer. All right. And I know how can I fix the fault. You have the personal profile account. Okay, you can create another copy trade account. Or you can send me a direct message on Telegram and we will discuss if you really want to change to the copy trade service. But for me, I use them parallel. All right, I have many trading accounts and both time as a copy trade account and others are live trading account. Yeah, it's not a matter. The matter is your balance, is your capital. You can divide it into 2 type of trading account or only one. Yeah, that is your choice and your arrangement about the balance, about your money. Yeah, indeed. So one day markets go crazy and you are not disciplined to your decision, you will easily wash out your account. So accept this. This is very severe. I shared with you in the beginning of the live stream. Markets never go right all the time. And for the day, it's the bond our trading psychology like this. And when you are not having a calm mindset, your account is burned. Remember this: when you feel too much pressure, exit the trade and relax. Turn off the trading platform. Okay, and relax. This is when you cannot control your trading psychology anymore. So the only way is that relax. On 1 minute time frame, you see that it's forming higher highs and higher lows gradually in this trend line. So this period, market easily kill all of us. Market moving sideways. It's hard to predict. So if we win 20 days, but only 1 to 2 days we lose, your account is still on dangerous. Still in dangerous. If you cannot control your trading psychology so well. So that's why it's not too many traders can survive long enough in this market. Hi, Acham. Okay, I will respond you soon. Yeah, at least I need to finish my live stream today. All right, trading is trading is probability, and when you can arrange your time to enter enough signal, that is fine. But in today's New York session, yeah, we think that you should lower your trading volume a little bit because it shows you, yeah, the market shows all of us the signal that is moving like a roller coaster, and it's really challenging today. If you feel too much pressure, yeah, just exit today trading and let's get started tomorrow again. All right. And if you still ready to enter the trade, try to lower the trading volume a little bit. Okay. Because I don't want anyone get obsessed with the stop loss. Yeah, when you see, yeah, you see that it continue forms the bounce break out and bounce break down all the time. VIP signal. Yeah, today we got too much complaint, right? Because just one day the market didn't follow our decision and you feel angry for this one. How about the last days? How about the previous days? Think about it. So that's why trading risk management is very important. I know I repeated this continuously and caused you boring, but I cannot repeat it. I cannot stop repeating and repeating, you know? Okay, in 1 minute time frame, everything got freeze. It's got freeze this time. It's just moving around EMA 89 and above support zone 27. Okay, when the market reverses to the bullish momentum, you can close the back position. Okay, I already advised you. It seems like the market is waiting for the next signal. If near the time that the market give the economic data at 3:45 about the PMI. Yesterday we have two winning trading signals together. And today, yeah, the market is not blessed all of us again. It took a part of our profit yesterday. Okay, I set the bad position. So that's why, yeah, you consider powerful to set the stop loss wider than a little bit to avoid the stop loss hunt. It's coming back to 24 several times, but it did not hit our stop loss level. Okay, the next one, it's already got 30 pips. Recover a part of your loss previously. Come on. Yeah, now I can claim to you that the market will coming back with a strong bullish momentum. The proof is that it's coming back to 24, the level 24, 47, 24, 3 times, 4 times, but it cannot break down. All right, everyone, you can close a part of your trade and close the back position. Because I'm not sure that the market still follow its direction, its bullish direction, or choppy again. Gold is on the way down. Now I think the market will go sideways in today's New York session. It will sideways a little bit after it's recovered in the beginning. At the end of London session. You can see on the daily time frame, it's still accumulating at the bottom area. Market gold need to wait, need to resting before it form a new peak in the near future. And now we are so familiar to the war news, so it's not give us too much depend. Yeah, it not give us too much effect to gold market like a month ago, right? And now we are waiting for Fed decision about interest rate. Okay, third time coming back. 24. Yeah, so that's why I told you we should exit the back position. This time the market goes sideways and it's really difficult for all of us to trade. It's dropping down from 32 to 25. And start bullish again. Start go bullish again. Hang on tight, we're still in the game. Yeah, I told you the market is still moving sideways at this time. We do not have any clear direction. So let's have a quick scalping signal. And now the risk reward ratio is kind of short for winning. So try to be careful when you enter any trade. Or if you're still under a lot of selling pressure or trading pressure, yeah, just take a break. Tomorrow or the day you get calmer, you're coming back to trade. All right. All right, and I would like to show you this photo. With this one. Yesterday, the copy trade service brought to me a very impressive profit report. Yeah, you can see it's brought to me $4,000 profit on one day. So that's just super crazy for copy trade service. So that's why I advise you we should have two parallel trading account and copy trade account. If the day that you see the stop loss signal continuously happened on the VIP channel, you still have the copy trade account, save your balance apart, recover your balance apart a little bit, all right, and obviously everything got control. And the minimum deposit to open the copy trade service, copy trade account is from $500. And the taking profit is from 3 to 10%. Yeah, even higher. It depends on the market conditions. And yesterday, the market really support for all of us for the copy trade service. Yeah, copy trade account. For me, it can bring to me $4,000 profit on one day. And the previous day, I shared you my trading, my trade history, that it can bring to me the average profit is more than 1,000 to $1,600 for profit. That is the average number. And when I change into the percent, that is normally 3%. And yesterday, it's really impressive for me that it can increase up to 10% take profit for one day. All right. So trading is still probability game. So that is your decision how you can manage your profit on what way. Okay. Do not put all your egg on one basket. divide it into the smaller one. How do you think about this one? Is this helpful for you, my friends who's watching the live stream today? Do you think this is helpful for you? Yeah, when I still remember when I had live stream last month and last year, I received a lot of requests about a copy trade service, and now it's already public. It's already launched. I'm waiting for your feedback about this copy trade service that is brand new to all of us. Yeah, all of the Nova team. And this copy trade account is absolutely powered by AI and is trained. It's trained by my trading habit and other master trading habit. So it's not entirely follow 100% of the VIP signal. Okay, so be clear for this point. Okay, one more time. Yeah. Hello everyone. Let's coming back to the current signal. It hit 35. Okay, let me see. 60 pips for our next signal. Okay, anyone? Everyone, are you still in the trade? And it's still going up next. $35, coming back to 35. Yeah, this is a very strong, sorry, it is a small resistance zone around 35 to 36. Yeah, gold market needs some time to break this one. Anyone still hold this buy position? Or you already quit? Or you already quit the game? Anyone still in? I still remember when the day we have successful trading, you are so happy and active on the chat box. But when market challenging all of us and we have some quiet atmosphere. Hi Annie, welcome back, my friends. Today the market is trapped us several times, but now I can recover a part of the trade, a part of the loss. How's your trading results recently, Annie? Is it all good? All right, HM, you're still holding the trade. Yeah, I see. Okay, in 1 minute time frame, you see that the market continues forming a liquidity sweep, right? Liquidity sweep is so annoying. Today, just Friday, just Thursday, it's not Friday at all. So crazy. Yeah, you see that you had a VIP channel, but your account is still not in a good result. But if when you trade by yourself, it's easily washed out. So accept the stop loss, and accept the stop loss is the tool, yeah, is the shield to protect the whole balance, your balance. Okay. And when it hit the stop loss, just wait to recover. And of course, I do not let you lose all the time, because that is when I also enter the signal. Yeah, I cannot allow this happen. So trust me, arrange your time to enter the trade. As many as you can. Okay. All right. 80 pips. 80 pips for everyone. I hope it recover a part of your loss from the previous trade. HM, you can take partials. Yeah, now it's already 80 pips. Okay, I'm very happy to hear this news. You can move the stop loss higher or set break even at HM. You can set break even. If it's coming back, yeah, you do not lose anything. All right. Let's set the break even and wait for the next move. When the market escapes from this border, yeah, it will give you the clear direction. Support zone. The first one we need to see the reaction is about support zone at 47.25, and the resistance zone is 47.42. And this is also our target for this buy signal. Okay. 42 will be our target for this buy signal. And because this is the resistance zone, you can bet for sell signal around 41, 41 to 42 at this resistance zone. So at HM, yeah, you can set the limit sell signal around 41 to 42. Come on, come on. I believe that it will finish our target for this buy signal. and recover all your loss from the previous one. Yeah, I think that's the previous one. Yeah, you do not close the trade when it hit 20 pips profit because it's too small for all of us to exit the trade. This is choppy again. Oh my goodness. All right, this is the range we will observe in today's New York session. $43 to 41 resistance zone. And again, yeah, let's remember about the copy trade service that more than 200 people enter and become the copier from this copy trade service. And you can find me on Telegram by searching the username Nova Scalper VIP. And I will send you all information about a copy trade account, how to open it, how to operate it, and how to deposit for this copy trade service. And this is absolutely automatically. And the market, yeah, this is will bring you the stable profit every day with a very small risk percent. I gave you the solution this time, okay? So trust me. Okay, let's come back to our buy position. 110. Yeah, 110 pips profit coming back. Are you happy now? Mate, do you enter? Are you still in the live stream? Mate? Yeah, good profits. I hope that you can recover the loss from the previous live stream. Yeah, the live stream yesterday, because I still remember that you entered late and yeah, you hit the stop loss, right? And I hope this one recover part of your loss. All right, that is the probability. Yeah, Ali, thank you so much, my friend. Keep on going. Hang on tight. Our target is still waiting. Around 41 to 42. Okay, and it's time. Yeah, I need to focus back on the VIP channel. It's too messy today. And careful, okay? Be careful for your trading before any decision you decide to get in any trade. All right, I do not know to say anything else but wish you the best and good luck. Okay, good luck, everyone. And see you next week. All right, because I changed my live stream session from Friday to Thursday. Yeah, because I see that it's not too many people join the live stream on Friday. So that's why I changed from Friday earlier a little bit, one day. And yeah, the next live stream session will happen on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining my live stream today. Even though that we have, it's kind of challenging for all of us in the beginning of the live stream. However, we can recover a part of the loss, at the end of the live stream. All right. Stay tuned and don't let down. Okay. Don't give up. This is a very severe trading market. All right. And I'll always be here to give you solution and the advice. And I hope that it will help you a lot in your trading journey. All right. Thank you and see you next week. Have a lovely day, my friends. Goodbye.